Well, I'm here today again at the tractor shop in West Elkton, Ohio, looking at their latest work of art. It's a John Deere R, somewhere around 1952, and they've just finished restoring it, kind of working through their final details on it, but I think it's pretty much ready to go. It's taken them a while to work on this tractor because they started with a pretty rough example, but this is a beautiful tractor. I'll describe some of the features on it. They have power steering on this tractor. It runs off the cylinder here, and you go over to this side. This is an add-on, and you got to have power steering on this tractor if you ask me, because it is a real brute. They made this. This is the forerunner of the John Deere 80 and 830. And it was a 4-bottom tractor. According to the tractor specs or tractordata.com, generated about 47 horsepower at the drawbar. It looks like it would do a lot more than that. They only made it in a diesel. And this was one of the, I think Tim said it's the first diesel that John Deere ever made. He's sneaking by me here. I'll get a picture of his sweatshirt. And of course you have to start it with a pony motor. And if you've been around John Deere's with pony motors, that is a real, that's a real experience to hear one of these things start. I don't know if we'll get this one started today up for you or not, but it's a pretty amazing sound. It sounds like a jet engine that's taken off when you start them, and then you click it over and it turns over the diesel engine and off you go. Tractor's got rear weights on it. Love these front tires that they have. These are old school, the kind of tires that you would have had on the front of this particular tractor. Tim was just describing to me the kind of the history of the tractor. They think it ran a sawmill for a long time, or was in a sawmill rather, and it also had a backhoe on the back of it, which he described as having to mount off the underneath of the drawbar, and there was a plate right here and the control set up in this area of the tractor. I think they made these things, if I remember my history right. They, of course, had the hydraulics here, but you could get these things without the power takeoff. So if you find one with the power takeoff, I think that's a good thing. The controls are very much right in the in your wheelhouse here. I'll climb up here and let you see them. Got your oil pressure and amperes gauge over here. Got the hours gauge on it. 2622 is the hours that are showing. It might have rolled over, I'd imagine. The water temperature gauge is right here. And then these are the controls here for the pony motor to get it started. And here's your decompression controls over here. It's got 5 forward speeds, 1 reverse. And here, of course, here's your hand clutch. The hydraulic controls over here to the back side. So, yeah, quite a tractor. Unbelievable job that they've done on this. It's going into a man here near West Elkton, up in Farmersville, Ohio. But again, if you need anything done and you want the full enchilada done to your tractor, this is the place to go. The paint work that they do is amazing. And Tim, we refer to him around here as the tractor whisperer. He's able to really dig into anything that you've got and find the root cause of it. In fact, he's working on my Oliver 70 out here right now. It's got a steering issue that I wasn't able to solve, but I think he's going to be able to fix it for me. Anyway, another beautiful job here that they've done, and it's just great to see these old tractors come back to life. This one also, I think he said, was sitting in a fence row for maybe several years before the owner bought it, and then he had it towed over to his place and stuck in his barn for 10 years or so before they were able to get it out and bring it up here and to get it going. So anyway, I'd love to have started it up for you here today, but it's raining outside. They don't want to pull it out of the garage to do that, and I understand that. So Hope you enjoy this video, and God bless you.